Hello friends, we will see parabola, the very basic of the conic section. We will see what are the basic equations of parabola and what are the basic terms used in parabola or other conics. See here, two types of parabola are there. One is y square is equal to 4ax type and another is x square is equal to 4ay type. How to identify? See here that one variable is in square form and another variable in linear form. Same is the case here. Here y is in square form and x is in linear form. This parabola is known as horizontal parabola. It is like this. See? And that is known as vertical parabola. Like this. Now you can easily tell which parabola is horizontal or vertical by just seeing which variable is in square form or linear form. Suppose I am saying you x square minus 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Can you tell me at the first instance which parabola it can be? It is in the form x square. The square variable is x and the linear variable is y. So it is this form. So definitely it is vertical form. So easily you can just tell in which form the parabola is, either vertical or horizontal. That is the basic thing you have to learn how to identify. Now we will see the parts of the parabola. The terms we will be using in throughout our discussion of conic section. See here, this is known as vertex of parabola. What is vertex? The definition of vertex is the meeting point of the axis. And it is coming out to be 0, 0 for this standard format. One term is focus. Focus is a, 0 and another is a line directrix. Directrix is a line, so it got an equation and that is x is equal to minus a. Now see, what is the basic definition of a parabola? That every point on it is equidistant from a fixed point, that is focus, and from a fixed line, that is directrix. This is directrix. So every point on parabola must be equidistant from these two things. Suppose a point is here, its distance from here and its distance from here should be equal. It is here, its distance from here and here should be equal. If it is not equal, it is not a parabola. Its geometrical structure in such a way so that these distances should be equal. That is why we are finding the directrix and focus and relation is there. If it is a distance here, it will be a distance there. So easily you can predict the directrix. Directrix is a line, it is not a point. So very important thing, somehow you get the focus of the parabola and the directrix of the parabola. You can easily find the equation by just writing distance from focus is equal to distance from directrix. Now see here, this is focus and a line segment perpendicular to the axis passing through focus is known as latus rectum. Latus rectum, and length of latus rectum here is 4a. Focus you got, directrix you got, latus rectum you got. This is focal chord. Any chord passing through focus is focal chord. What is focal distance? Distance of any point from focus is focal distance. These are very simple terms. We just saw that its basic definition is if any point P is there, we got that PF by PM That means distance from focus and distance from directrix should be a constant ratio, and in the case of parabola it is 1. That means distances are equal. That ratio is known as eccentricity of a conic section. So in all the conic section, it is the basic definition. PF by PM is E, that is eccentricity, and E is 1 in the case of parabola. So this is horizontal parabola, and almost every part we got. Suppose somebody is telling us that equation is y square is equal to 8x. Can you predict the parts of the parabola? Easily. We can just write in the fashion, the standard fashion. So it will be 4 into 2 into x. So we got the value of a. Once we got the value of a, we know everything. Only a is to be known. So we can say focus is what? 2, 0. Directrix is what? X is equal to -2. Length of lattice rectum is what? 4 into 2. That is 8. So we can find every part of the parabola if the equation is known. In other sense, we can say if some parts of the parabola are known, we can find the equation by just following the basic definition that PF by PM is equal to 1. Now see, in the vertical parabola, this is vertex 0, 0. Focus, that is coming out to be 0, A. Directrix, what is that? Y is equal to -a. Okay, length of lattice rectum, that is 4a. It is remaining same, length of the lattice rectum. So once you identify vertical or horizontal parabola, you can find the things easily. If y square is equal to -4ax is there, y square is equal to -4ax, nothing is going to change, just the shape. Focus will be here, directrix will be there. Focus will be -a, 0. Directrix will be x is equal to a. Same way, if it is downward parabola, that means x square is equal to -4ay. Its shape will be like this. Vertex is 0, 0. Focus is 0, -a, and directrix is y is equal to a. You just remember these basic things. Your basics of the parabola will be clear. Hope you are understanding. Thank you.